Welcome viewers, Zach here. Today I'm back with another video. It's a very different video. I'm just looking at this video that did extremely well. This is a Minecraft short I made not long ago and giving you guys an opportunity to win a house, and you guys responded in many dozens, literally dozens of people answering, and I'm glad you guys have been there, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So if you guys want to know about who the winner of the Minecraft home is, I will let you guys know tomorrow. Tomorrow I will announce the winner. It will be decided. So if you are looking for that, do make sure to like and subscribe. I want to thank you guys so much for the support. It's just crazy. 590 subscribers. Like, that's a lot. That's a lot of subscribers. Let's see now. 596. Wow. Anyway, so yeah, I just want to thank you guys. Tomorrow I'll try and make a live stream, or I might make another video like this, a premiere video. And yeah, I want to thank a lot. So yeah, if you guys are new here, well, since there's loads of you guys that I just joined, I want to tell you guys a bit about my channel. So I'm a bit of a gamer. I like to play games and stuff on my computer. I use a laptop, and I also do tech reviews because I do enjoy technology. I find it rather interesting, and yeah, I'm glad. Really, like, this support is amazing. I want to thank you guys all for the support, and yeah, so I will be making more videos as usual, and I want to thank you guys all for the support once again. Apart from that, make sure to try the games I play at home and experience it. Hi guys, it's Zach. I'm just editing the video. If you guys are interested in my channel, do make sure to check out my other videos and do tell me which ones you prefer, and I'll do more of those. Apart from that, see ya.